Hello, fellow wanderers. Buckle up as we embark on a journey to explore the world without breaking the bank. At Financial Whiteboard World, we're committed to making travel accessible for every adventure, no matter your budget. Let's delve into some comprehensive tips that not only save your money but elevate your travel experience. Tip 1. Plan in advance. Planning is like setting the coordinates for your adventures. Booking flights and accommodation well in advance significant discount, leaving you with more resources to explore and enjoy your destination thoroughly. Tip 2. Opt for off-peak travel. Timing is everything. Consider traveling during off-peak season. Not only will you avoid hustle and bustle of peak tourist times, but prices for flights and accommodation tend to be more budget-friendly. It's a win-win for your wallet and your overall travel experience. Tip 3. Embrace local cuisine. Food is a gateway to culture. Skip the touristy restaurants and dive into local eateries. Not only will you get an authentic taste of the destination, but you will also save money compared to dining in tourist hotspots. Tip 4. Utilize public transportation. Navigate your destination like a local by using public transportation. It's not only cost effective but also a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the community. Trains, buses and trams can take you to hidden gems of the beaten path. Tip 5. Seek out free attraction. Every destination holds treasures waiting to be discovered for free. Museums, parks, and culture events can be both enriching and easy on your budget. Do some research and plan your itinerary around these hidden gems. By weaving these thoughtful tips into the fabric of your travel plans, you'll not only save money but also craft unforgettable memories. Subscribe to Financial Whiteboard World for continuous stream the insightful tips on the mastering art of finance and making the most of life's adventures. Until our next voyage, may your travels be budget-friendly and brimming with enriching experiences. This is Financial Whiteboard World.